Welcome to our guide on mastering Rust Cargo for efficient project management. Rust, known for its safety and performance, is a systems programming language that empowers developers to build robust and efficient software. At the heart of Rust's ecosystem is Cargo, its powerful package manager and build system. Understanding and mastering Cargo not only helps in managing dependencies and building projects effectively, but also streamlines your entire development process, enhancing productivity and ensuring you leverage Rust to its fullest potential. Now that we understand the importance of Cargo in Rust, let's explore some common problems developers encounter when using it. One frequent issue is managing dependencies. As your project grows, ensuring compatibility and addressing version conflicts can become challenging, especially if dependencies are not updated or managed correctly. Another common obstacle is build failures, often arising from incorrect configurations or missing dependencies. Lastly, misunderstandings of the cargo.toml file specifications can lead to confusion and errors. Recognizing these issues is the first step to mastering Cargo. Having identified common Cargo challenges, let's delve into its core features and see how they can revolutionize your workflow. Cargo acts as the backbone of Rust development by simplifying several critical tasks. Firstly, it allows you to create new Rust projects effortlessly. Secondly, dependency management becomes seamless as Cargo automatically fetches and updates external libraries specified in your cargo.toml. Additionally, compiling your code is straightforward with Cargo's build command, ensuring your project is optimized and error-free. Lastly, running tests with Cargo allows you to maintain code quality without hassle. Mastering these features propels your development efficiency to new heights. Building on our understanding of Cargo's core features, let's create a new Rust project using Cargo. Begin by opening your terminal and typing cargo new my_project. Then navigate into the project directory with cd my_project. To manage dependencies, open the cargo.toml file and specify any libraries your project requires under the dependencies section. For instance, adding rand equals 0.8.3. Now, you can compile your project by running cargo build, which ensures your code compiles without any issues. Finally, use cargo check to catch errors before they become problematic, enhancing your development workflow. After crafting your Rust project, it's crucial to avoid common pitfalls in Cargo usage. First, always manage your dependencies to prevent outdated versions by regularly updating your cargo.toml file. Ignoring changes in the cargo.lock file can lead to version discrepancies, so ensure it's committed and reviewed. Additionally, optimize your build settings to prevent inefficient builds. By addressing these issues, you'll maintain a healthy and efficient Rust project, ensuring smoother development and deployment. Reflecting on our journey through mastering Cargo, we've explored how to set up and manage Rust projects efficiently. You've learned to create new projects, manage dependencies, and ensure seamless builds. Remember, avoiding common pitfalls and applying best practices will keep your project robust and scalable. Now, it's your turn to implement these strategies and enhance your Rust projects. Feel free to share your experiences or ask questions in the comments below. We look forward to your thoughts.